Hello everyone. In this class, we will discuss step ladder method under the secondary distribution method. Under step ladder method, we will distribute or reapportion the service department's overhead cost not only to the production departments but also to other service departments. Under this method, the service departments are arranged in the order of their serviceability. The expenses of the most serviceable department is first apportioned to other service departments and production departments. After this, the cost of the next service department is shared among other service and production departments. Finally, the expenses of the last service department is shared only to the production departments. This method is known as stepladder method because the shape of the apportionment chart under this method looks like the steps of a ladder. Let us discuss one problem. Vijay Equipment Company produces various articles of steel for domestic and office use. Its factory has the following departments and the amount of overhead expenses incurred, and other particulars for the month of January 2019 are: maintenance rupees 9600, building service 12000, power 4000, cutting 16000 and assembly parts 8000. Next we can see the basis of reapportionment. Here we can see 3 service departments and 2 production departments, and the basis of reapportionment are hours worked, floor space and power consumed. Here, first service department maintenance is used hours worked as its basis, and the second service department building service used floor space as its basis, and third service department power is used power consumed as its basis. From the question itself, we can identify the most serviceable department. Here, maintenance department is the most serviceable department because the reapportion values are given in other 2 service departments and production departments. And the next service department is building service. Here also we can see 3 apportionment values, and the least serviceable department is power consumed. It is apportioned to the production departments only. Here we can see the basis of distribution of overhead expenses. First, maintenance department in proportion to the hours worked in other departments. Second, building service on the basis of floor space. Third, power on the basis of consumption. Set up a statement showing secondary distribution under step ladder method. This is our question. While coming to the solution, we are preparing statement showing the apportionment of overheads under step ladder method. Here also our columns are overheads, basis, ratio, 3 service departments and 2 production departments. While writing department columns, here we have to write the service department columns first. And our first item, overhead expenses as per primary distribution. It is already allocated. Maintenance department rupees 9600, building service rupees 12000, power 4000, cutting 16000 and assembly 8000. Then next we have to allocate the overhead expenses of most serviceable department. That is, here it is maintenance department, and its basis of reapportionment are hours worked and the ratio 5:2:8:9. That means in the question 1400, 1600 and 1800. Then rupees 9600 is to be reapportioned on the basis of this ratio. Then we will get 2800, 3200 and rupees 3600 to other 4 departments. Then next serviceable department is building service, and the basis of reapportionment are floor space and the ratio 1:2:4. Then in the question it is 2000, 4000 and 8000. Then we have to reapportion the total amount 14,000. How we will get that amount? Rupees 12,000 already given in the question, and rupees 2,000. It is the portion of maintenance department overhead expenses. That means total 14,000. It is to be allocated as rupees 2,000, 4,000 and 8,000 in the ratio 1:2:4. Then the least service department, power department, and the basis of reapportionment is power consumed ratio 9:1. That means 3,60,000 is to 40,000. Then the total amount 6,800 is to be reapportioned. That means 4,000 already given in the question, 800 from maintenance department and 2,000 from building service department. Total 6,800. It is 6,120 in cutting department and 680 in assembly department. Then our total overhead expenses under step ladder method in production departments are rupees 29,320 in cutting department and 20,280 in assembly department. This is our problem under step ladder method.